Alright everybody, so we're back for the second part of episode 2, Lake Ontario. This time we're gonna hit left, try to see if we can get into the inner harbor. Maybe make it to the Scarborough Bluffs, probably save Pickering for the next one. All depends what happens when we get left and what we feel like. There's Forest Sound again, doing his thing. Ready for the next adventure. We're about to go under the bridge and we'll check in from there. But yeah, this is episode 2, part 2, Lake Ontario. Peace.
He's gonna go ripping.
Alright guys, and here we have the greatest city on earth. Good old Toronto. Still making our way closer. We got forest next to us exploring. Let's see. There's the Billy Bishop Ferry. Taking people from the mainland across this wide gap to right there, which is Billy Bishop Airport. So we got a bit of a old school pirate ship there. You can see the sky dome is actually open today. What a nice shot. We're around all the islands getting a nice shot of the city with the sailboats. Mark's up there taking off, so I'm gonna try to grab on with one hand here. Let's go catch this guy. We got Forest Sound trying out mine, trying out the supercharged to see what it does. It's shit in springs already. I won't lie, probably can't say it too much, but I just tried his on, I just opened his up, the 155. And realistically, I would have been quite good with this engine. I don't need that extra, but I'm not gonna complain. Just because I don't need it, don't mean I don't want it. Yep, so that's my GTX 230 Fish Pro. Uh-oh, I think Mark's gonna be craving this now. Well, now that I've driven the 155, I'm like, hey, this actually isn't bad for power. I don't need to worry about that other shit.
Oh, shit. That is too much. This is too much.
What do you mean too much? It's just enough.
Holy
I didn't get the 300.
Oh.
Imagine the 300. I should have got the 300. Alright everybody, well, we're soaking wet and made it back to the Humber here. Mark just wet his headphones and he's soaked, so he's heading back. So I'm gonna peace out for now and we'll check back in on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Forest Sound, subscribe to me, smash that like button and that bell notifications, and thanks for joining us. See you on the next one. Peace.
That was a very good shot. Thank you, Mark, for recording it. You're the best. Please keep that in.